How are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Okay, students. Today, yesterday we have done here the chapter 3, rational numbers as decimals, and here was worksheet 1. And today we will discuss, in the previous class we have discussed only the how to represent the rational numbers as decimals by forming the denominators as powers of 10. But today we will discuss here that how to find that this rational number is terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal, how to represent it. And by long division method, this is the main point here. By long division method we will find here the decimal places of any rational numbers and what they represent, that they are terminating or non-terminating. Their decimal places terminates anywhere and their decimal places don't terminate, and repeating again and again. We are discussing here these decimal numbers. Yes, let's see here conversion of decimal numbers, conversion of rational numbers into decimals by long division method. So there is the first point here, that is terminating decimals. By long division method, first we will do here that the terminating decimals. These are the terminating decimals. There is an example 13 by 5. And there is the number 13 divided by 5. Is it clear, students? We are doing here by long division method. In the long division method we are doing like this. Yes, we have known already this method, the division method, and we known about this method, that how to find the last, how to end the process of division using decimals, that is 5 to the 10 and its remainder is 3. Now there is this number is not divided by 3, divided by 5, so we will take here the decimal place and there is also decimal place, and now we will take here the 0. 5 6 ja 30, it will done. Is this clear, students? And now you are observing here, students, that there is 2.6. यहाँ क्वेश्चन हमारे पास क्या है 2.6 और रिमाइंडर हमारे पास 0 आया. It means you are saying that after this there is no any number. After decimal place there is only 6 and no any another number is there. Okay, it means it terminates the decimal place here and the remainder is 0. It means this is the terminating decimal. Is this clear, students? I will give you the more examples that which are not terminating here, then you can understand it easily, that some numbers are terminating or some numbers are non-terminating decimal numbers. And one another point to find the direct without any long division method, how to find that this number is only terminating decimal. How to find? Yes, बिना लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड के हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि ये जो नंबर गिवन है ये आपका टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल ही होगा. लेट्स सी. There are the prime factors of denominator we have to find here. Prime numbers, prime factors of denominator. There is the denominator here, what? 5. Only 5. Yes. If the prime factors of denominators are only 2 and 5. If 2 and 5, otherwise it's power of 2 or it's power of 5. Prime factors of denominator are only 2 and 5 or both. दोनों भी हो सकते हैं और 2 और 5 भी हो सकता है. Then that number is always the terminating decimal. And if डिनोमिनेटर के प्राइम फैक्टर्स अगर हम निकालें तो 5, 2 और 5 के अलावा अगर कोई भी अनदर 2 और 5 के अलावा कोई भी नंबर अगर प्राइम फैक्टर बनता है it means that number is non-terminating decimal. Let's see there. We are discussing here, this is the example here, this is equals to 2.6 and this is the terminating decimal. Now we will discuss here the non-terminating decimal examples. Let's see. There is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, it means 1 is divided by 3 here. But it doesn't divide, it means we placed here decimal, also we placed here decimal, and then we will put here a number that is 0, and 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9, that is 1 here. Now again we will place here the number 0. Yes. Now it is 3 3s are 9. Now again we have placed here the 0. You are seeing here, you are observing here that the decimal after decimal there is a number which is repeating again and again. Because if we are dividing here the 10, we will get always the 9 and the remainder is always 1, and we will get here in the quotient there is only the number 3. It means this is the repeating number. Yes, students, you are observing here that 1 by 3 is equals to 0.3333, and yes, it's not the terminating, it's a repeating number. And this is equals to, we are writing also it as 3 bar. Bar means the repeating number. That number is repeating here. Is this clear? After the decimal or before decimal, so which number is repeating here? We will place here the bar sign. Okay, students, this is the number that is non-terminating. This is not terminate here. It's a no end. No end means not terminate. Terminate means one decimal place ends. If decimal place ends, it means it is the terminating, and if it is not, it's not end, it means that is the non-terminating decimal. Now here we are doing here the 2 by 7. Let's see. 2 by 7. 2 is divided by 7. Is this clear, students? Now we are dividing here the 2. It doesn't divide. It means we are taking here the decimal. This is the 0 here, and now 7 2s are 14, and there is a point here. After subtracting here there is 6. Now again we are placing here the 0. Now 7 8 are 56. Okay, we will do here up to whenever we will get here the 0, or we are expecting here that any other place, any one place there must be 0, but it doesn't have happened. Let's see. There is 4, and now taking another 0. 7 3s are 7 5s are 35. There is remainder 5. We are taking here it. There is 5, and we are taking here another 0, and now 7 7 are 49, and there is 1. Now taking another 0. There are 2 zeros here, and now there is 7 1s are 7, and now again there is 3. Now again we will place here the 0, and there is 7 4s are 28. There is 2, and there is 0. Let's see here that there is a 2 here. Okay, students, now if we will do here the next process, after this we will get here the same number. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Same here we are doing here. It means this will be repeating here 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. You will divide it again and again. Then you will confirm it. It means it's a repeating number. Now it's a repeating number, again 2, then 8, then 5, then 7, then 1, then 4, and again same number 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4 in the question. So we will see here that there is the number, this number that is repeating after the decimal place. It means this is the non-terminating number. Is this clear, students? This is the non-terminating number. I am repeating again the concept, today's concept here. In the today's concept we will do here, हम यहाँ long division method से decimal numbers, rational numbers को decimals में convert कर रहे हैं long division method से. And long division method आपको पहले से ही confirm है कैसे होता है solve. And one more thing कि हमें ये देखना है कि terminating decimal कब हो रहा होगा, जब remainder 0 आ रहा होगा और क्वेश्चन किसी फाइनाइट नंबर के डेसिमल प्लेसेस पर एंड हो रहा होगा. इज दिस क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? फाइनाइट डेसिमल प्लेसेस पर एंड हो रहा होगा. इट मीन्स दैट इज द टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. और अगर 0 नहीं हो रिमाइंडर और बार बार रिपीट हो रहा हो नंबर, तो वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल नंबर होता है. एंड वन मोर थिंग कि एक प्रॉपर्टी और कहती है कि अगर टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर है और हमें लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड करके नहीं करना है और नहीं हमें शो करना है कि हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि हम लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड करें. वी हैव ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन एंड वी हैव लिमिटेड टाइम. सो इट्स ए ट्रिक टू फाइंड हाउ टू फाइंड दिस नंबर इज टर्मिनेटिंग और नॉट. फाइंड इट्स डिनोमिनेटर factor, prime factorization. Find the prime factorization of its denominator. We have find here. We are checking here that इसके prime factorizations only 2 हैं या 5 हैं या दोनों हैं या इसके अलावा भी है. अगर prime factorization only 2, 5 और दोनों के दोनों 2 and 5 both हैं, then this number is terminating decimal. और अगर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, डिनोमिनेटर के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन 2, 5 के अलावा कोई और नंबर है, 2 भी नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है, तो क्या है यहाँ 3. इट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट द टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. इट कंपल्सरी टू that this is the non-terminating decimal. And we will find here that there must not be any 0 in the remainder, because if the remainder 0, it means that once is the terminating decimal. It means we have to find here the repeating number or any non-repeating number. Is this clear, students? We will find up to 10 digits, at least after decimal 10 digits, then we will find that this is repeating or not repeating. Okay, students, this will confirm here that terminating and non-terminating decimals. I hope you have understood all the questions here and there is no problem. Okay, we will do here the worksheet 2. Let's see. Now students, we are having here the worksheet 2. In the worksheet 2, there is question number 1 and part 5. In the part 5, there is the number 22 by 7. There is the number 22 by 7 and we have, we will do here the express the following decimal numbers as decimals by long division method. By doing long division method, we have to represent it in the decimal form. Okay students, long division method. It means we have to do it as by this method. Okay students. Now 7 3 are 21. We will divide it. There is the remainder 1 and now there is not any number, so placing here the decimal and then taking here the 0. 7 1 ja 7 and we will place here there is a remainder 3 and again we will place here the 0 and now again there is a number 7 4 ja 28 and there is the number 2. Now again it will be placing here the 0 and it will get here the 7 2 14, and now it's getting here 7, sorry 6, and again we will placing here the number 0, and 7 8 56, and there is a number 4, again 0, 7 3 7 5 35, and there is a number 5, and now again there is placing here the 0, and we will get here 7 7 49, and we will get here again one number 0, and it will get 7 1 7, and there is the number 3. Now again placing here the 0, there is the number 7 4 28. Let's see here that this process remains again and again from there. Yes, 1 4 is repeating here. Yes, students, you are seeing here. Yes, now you will observing here that there is the number 1 4 2 8 5 7 1 4. Again and again it's repeating here. It means this is not the terminating. We will not do here anything else. So there is the number. We बस यहाँ हमें only इस number rational number का decimal number place करना है. 3.142857. इसके बाद वापस से 1 4 रिपीट हो रहा है. It means this is the repeating here again and again. Is this clear, students? Its a decimal representation is this. Okay, students. Now we will do here the question and remaining question of the part 1. You will do yourself. There is no problem. There is only the long division method. It's not compulsory to observe here that what is the terminating decimal or not decimal, not terminating decimal. Is this clear, students? Now अब हम question number 2 पर चलेंगे. Let's see. Yes, students, there is the question number 2. In the question number 2, we didn't do here the long division method. हम long division method से यहाँ नहीं बताएंगे कि ये नंबर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है या टर्मिनेटिंग है. हम ट्रिक का यूज करेंगे. डायरेक्टली हमें विदाउट एनी एक्चुअल डिवीजन हमें ये बताना है कि ये टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर है या नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर है. Let's see here. We have done already that how to find the number without actual division. How to find the number is terminating or non-terminating. So let's see there. What will we do here? Firstly, we will find here the prime factorization of denominator. There is the denominator here 14. Prime factorization of the 14 is 2 7 14 and 7 1 7. There is 14 is equals to 2 into 7. Prime factorization of 14 is 2 and 7. Yes, prime factors of 14 is 2 and 7. It means this is the non-terminating because prime factorization of any number, any denominator is only 2 and 5 or both. Yes, then that number is terminating. Otherwise, if there is prime factor other than 2 and 5, it means that is non-terminating. It means this is a non-terminating number. Yes, we will do it in the fair notebook and we will take here the revision since prime factors of 14, prime factors of 14 is equals to 2 and 7. We will write it as. Okay, students. Now we will do here the part 5. There is the remainder. There is a denominator here 250. So factorize it. Find the factors of 250. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 5 10, and 5 2 10, 5 5 25, and 5 5 25, and 5 1 5. There are the prime factors 2 and 5 only. Yes, it means this is the terminating. Is this clear, students? This is the terminating. It means why we will take here the revision since prime factors example. Find the prime factors of 45. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. Prime factor method आपको आना चाहिए. It's compulsory to find these solve these questions. There is a 45. There is the factors 3 3 5. It means this is the non-terminating. Non-terminating rational number है. Since prime factors of 45 are 3 and 5. Is this clear, students? Yes. I hope you have understand all these questions. Now we will do here the question number 3. Let's see here. Now students, यहाँ हमें डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन फाइंड आउट करनी है इन रैशनल नंबर्स की. These numbers are given here and we have to find here the decimal representation. Then how? By long division method, simple. If not given, then using the long division method. There is the number 37 and we will divide it by 60. But students, you are seeing here there is the negative sign. It doesn't mean that it's taking the problem. It's in the answer also there is the negative sign, and divide without negative sign, divide the number and then find the decimal representation. Okay students, now it doesn't divide, it means there is a decimal place here and then one more zero. There is 6 6 36 and there is 10 here the remainder. Now again putting here 0. Now this number has 1 ja 60 and there is remainder 40 and now again putting here the 0 and there is 6 6 ja 36 360. Now again there is the remainder 40 and now again placing 0. Yes students, you are seeing here again there is the number 6 360 and there is 40. You are seeing here that this 6 is repeating here. Okay students, so it's we will do here the dot 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 and it's equals to minus 0 point, what's the quotient here, 0.6166 dot dot dot. It means we are writing here that minus 0.61 and 6 is repeating again and again here. This will be the decimal representation of this number. Is this clear students? Now we will go to the next part. Its part is 4th and the remaining questions you will do yourself. If you trying the maths questions again and again, then you will solve easily all the questions. कंसेप्ट अगर आपका क्लियर है और आपको पता है कि इस मेथड में क्या करना है हमें, देन आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो सकती है अगर कंसेप्ट आपने क्लियर कर लिया है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अपने आप क्वेश्चंस को ट्राई करने की कोशिश कीजिए, यहाँ वहां से चीट मत करिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल डू हियर द पार्ट 4. लेट्स सी. It will be, this division must be done in the fair notebook. Okay students, now we will do here the 15 is divided by 8 and it's taking here the negative sign, so it must be put there. 8 1 ja 8, there is 7, now there is no number, so putting here the decimal and there is 0, we are taking here. 8 8 ja 64, there is the number 6 and again 0, there is 8 7 ja 56 and there is 4, again now putting here a 0. 8 4 ja 32, sorry 8 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40. Now students, you are seeing here this is the terminating decimal. Is this clear? It means this answer is 1.875. Okay students, it will be clear here that how do we find the decimal expansions of these rational numbers by long division method. It's nothing problem. because you have known about the decimal after decimal places, how we divide the numbers. Okay students? Okay, now we will do here the fourth question. Okay students, question number 4 and 5 you do yourself, and if you have any problem then ask me. Okay, bye students, have a nice day. Thank you.